Earn $438 in just 3 minutes. What? It's unreal. What if I inconvenience you today? Yes, I'm not lying. I actually earned 438 in just 3 minutes with an initial balance of $65. I did on the gold index with my strategy, which I will tell you today. By the way, if you are looking for the free information, bonus and signal for binary options trading, then go to my free Telegram channel by the link in the description. Go soon. Returning to the essence of the video, today I am going to talk about an easy and simple strategy for the beginners that helped me earn $438 in just 3 minutes. Today I will tell you about this strategy. The essence lies in two key indicators, sentiment and MACD. It works like this: if the green line intersects with the red one and tends to the go up, then we open a deal to the go down. If the line intersects downward, then we open a trade for a decrease. Everything is absolutely clear and simple, and now I will show you how I made money with this strategy. Before starting transactions, you need to set the necessary settings. First we put type candles in the chart, set time frame for 30 minutes, then turn on two indicators, MACD and sentiment. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the gold index, the transaction time is 1 minute. Now let's move on to the transaction. I open the first trade for a decrease in the amount of $65 as I see the intersection of the lines towards the decline of the chart. Great! The first transaction is completed and the balance is $122. It's wonderful and I'm moving on. And now it's time for the second deal. We will have it in the amount of the $122. I also open a deal for an increase because there was no adjustment visible and the indicator lines intersect and rise up. It's simple. In the world of trading where every second counts, choosing a reliable broker becomes a key moment of the success. Olimtrade stand out from the others with its transparency and transaction speed, giving traders the opportunity to achieve the significant result. Join my Telegram channel to get exclusive access to the bonus and start trading. Your path to financial independence begins here. The second deal is over and the balance is $232. And now we will move on the last deal. Okay friends, this is our last deal for today. We will have it for the $232. Analyzing the chart and open a deal for the decrease. Since the green candle is short, a small correction begins again. There are no point of the support for the chart and this is our signals to go down. This is simple, impossible. All three transactions in a row were completely successful and my balance is $438. Friends, in the world of trading, the main thing is to have a strategy for the proper analyze and earning. Like it and you will see more strategies on my channel. Friends, go to my free Telegram channel as soon as possible because that's where you will find a lot of useful information about the trading bonus and private signals. My subscribers and I earn thousands of dollars and enjoy life. Join it.